Clovermore, AVP, Group Corporate Affairs and Communications for Victoria Mutual. And this year for Labor Day, we wanted to truly help students who are in need. We thought about how could we truly impact and labor for learning this year. We came up with the idea to gift 21 students across Jamaica who are doing fairly well, who are sitting CSEC exams but have challenges. They don't have a computer, they don't have access to data, and we've heard much of those stories across the media since COVID hit, and we've had to be learning at home. And so we reached out to courts to say, okay, you have this great package that you put together for Home Office. Can we get the laptops at a discounted rate? And they jumped on board very quickly and reached out to Flow, who, as many of us know, the mobile companies have a discounted plan for teachers and students. And we also got a good discount on a handset. And of course, we can't give a computer without Office because the kids have to actually use the machines. So that each machine is equipped with Office. Each student has a phone that can work as a mobile hotspot. If their exams are going to be online, we're not too sure how the exam will work out for CSEC. And as well, they'll have a 3-month data plan so they can actually continue preparing in June and sit exams July into August. And we felt like that was a really great way for us to give back and have impact on 21 students who we know will do well. How are you doing?
Fine. Yes, and I want to present you with a package for this year Labor Day. We're doing labor for learning, but I know with this COVID thing, a lot of persons don't have the necessary resources, so I just want to present you.
Yeah.
It's a laptop for yourself, and this is a phone. So the phone will give you data for 3 months. It's a 3G. It will be activated on the microphone. So you can use it, know how to tether it, you just got a hotspot. So this is yours. And I wish you all the best. I know you're going to pass.
Yes. On behalf of the Victoria Mutual Group and our Labour for Learning initiative for Labor Day 2020, we would like to present you with this token to assist you in your CSEC exams in July.
I'm Orion Shaw. I teach physics at St. George's College, for which I'm also an old boy. And this initiative by Victoria Mutual Building Society, I think it's a great initiative. I mean, we are all aware of the challenges that so many persons are having now. Students, even teachers as well. And for them to be impacting the lives of these persons in this way, it really means a lot as somebody in the education profession.
I'd like to thank Victoria Mutual Building Society for giving me this token and helping me to advance in my studies and help my family in the future. Thank you.